signing of the grant agreement for two grant agreements, which is for with fertilizer and grant the farmers cost by 56%. Without further ado,
The purpose of today's ceremony is to witness the signing of the annual grant by government to South Pacific Fertilizer Limited for the new weedicide grant. This is a new initiative of the government and for the fertilizer as well. Background, let me give you some background, ladies and gentlemen. The fertilizer grant, as you may know, ever since 2009, the total price of a 50 kg bag of fertilizer was $45.59, and government was subsidizing fertilizer cost with a subsidy of $14.09, and the grower was paying $31.50 per kg for blended for the government was paying $14.09, while the grower was paying $31.50 for a 50 kilogram bag of blended fertilizers A, B, and C. The government identified that farmers had not been applying the recommended doses and volumes of fertilizer on sugarcane farms, which is one of the reasons of very low yield. To encourage and ensure that growers apply the recommended quantity of fertilizer in cane fields, government further increased the subsidy from $14.09 to $25.59 per 50 kg bag of fertilizer, and increased the fertilizer subsidy budget allocation in the 2016 budget from 9.7 million to 15.35 million under the Ministry of Sugar Industry for the 2017 and 18 financial year. This is an increase, ladies and gentlemen, of 82% in subsidy by government when compared to the 2016 fiscal year. The farmers are now paying only $20 per 50 kg bag of fertilizer, which is 44% of the price of $45.59 per 50 kg bag. The government pays $25.59, which is 56% of the price of a 50 kilogram bag. Some farmers had purchased fertilizer early last year and to apply it on cane plants that will be harvested in 2018. Therefore, to ensure that all growers benefited equally from the new subsidized price consistent of 2018 crop calendar, government has backdated the new fertilizer subsidy rate from January 2017 instead of 1st of August 2017. The whole reason is that all farmers can benefit for those that have purchased in the early part of the year. The update on the fertilizer grant, as at 31st of December 2017, South Pacific Fertilizer Limited blended and sold 26,962 tons of fertilizer, which is equivalent to 539,246 kg bag of fertilizer. This is an increase of 36% in usage of fertilizer when compared to the same period in 2016. an excellent increase, and I'd like to thank and acknowledge the GM, Ashwin, for excellent work in getting this increase done, because what will simply show that the better utilization of fertilizer will give a good yield. So Ashwin, the government is very happy of this change, and we'd like to see even these numbers grow. The South Pacific Fertilizer Limited blended and sold 19,868 tons, which is equivalent to 397,376 kilogram 50 kg bag of fertilizer. When we compare the two statistics, that shows an increase of 36% to the current. Also, the new initiative of the government was Weedicide, because last year's consultation with farmers, when Prime Minister went around the country talking to farmers, one of the issues that came was the price of Weedicide and increase in Weedicide on the farms. So the government then decided to put $6.3 million under Ministry of Sugar in the 2017-18 financial year to subsidize the price of Weedicide. So as at 1st of August 2017, government provided 55% of subsidy, while growers pay only 45% of the price of the 4 recommended Weedicide on sugarcane fields. So this has given added benefit to the farmer. Further update on the Weedicide grant. As of December 2015, the sales of Duran increased by 109% as compared to 2016. The sale of Velpa King increased from 182% as compared to 2016, and the others were increased for 40% as we compare the other figures 2016. So, ladies and gentlemen, CEO and the General Manager, we'd like to see that these figures increase and more assistance is given to the farmers in the coming planting season. And as we approach the harvesting season, we'd like to see better yield. And the figures and the physical visit to the farms last week that I made in Reki and Tauwa, I could see that the plants look very healthy, so we're expecting a better yield this year as compared to last year. With this increase in fertilizer and control of Weedicide, we intend to reduce input and total production cost because of better yield, improve the sugarcane quality, overall increase profitability to the farmers, and whole idea is to revive the sugar industry, which the government has put so much of incentives to make it happen. So, ladies and gentlemen, that is the brief at the moment, and I look forward to signing the grant with the director of the board. Thank you very much.